AI Lockdown is a virtual team building game that can be played online from anywhere in the world. With most work moving online these days, there's no reason why team building shouldn't follow. The game is played in teams, fully online at a provided link, while using any video conferencing tool, such as Zoom or Teams for communication among team members. Clickable links open various puzzles in a high-end corporate office setting, taking players through all the different departments of your company as they attempt to save it. If a team gets stuck on a particular puzzle, 2 levels of hints are available to help reach the solution, but they will cost them some points. At the start of the game, players in each team can assign each other 3 different roles: observer, logic, and tech. Each role has its own task during the game, so effective communication and teamwork are key to successfully completing the mission. Players must think fast and act quickly to gain points before the clock runs out. The full game is 50 minutes of playtime, but if you're pressed for time, 30 and 40-minute versions are available. An unlimited number of teams can play depending on the size of your company, but there should be 3 to 6 players in each team for optimal gameplay. To maximize the immersion of the experience, the game's office space can be rebranded to include your own company's brand or logo. Keep your remote team engaged, connected, and in high spirits, no matter the distance.